Hello everyone, my name is Rizal. Today I will show you how to make a responsive card in VS Code software. Here is the preview. In Visual Studio Code, create folder and create file HTML and CSS in the folder. Then write HTML to auto-write HTML template code in VS Code. You can give a page title by typing the title in the title brackets. Link HTML and CSS files using the link command. Write div in the body with class container to set the container class. Write a div below the container class to make this class inside in the container class. Fill the class name with box. Below the box level, you can tag an empty sponge inside to make the correction still in the same class. You can add content class here. In the content class, you can add any content you want. Now, add a link below it. In CSS, add a universal selector or asterisk logo in keyboard. This function select all elements in the document. This can be useful in some situations, such as when you want to apply a global style or reset to all elements on a page. In the universal selector, fill with margin and padding set to 0. Set font type as you like. Box size border box property that makes the width and height of an element include content padding and border. This makes it easier to set element size because padding and borders are included in the total size set. Now set the body style. Fill it with display flex, which functions to activate flexbox on the element, making it a flexible container for setting the layout of chart elements. Justify content, which functions to set the alignment of chart elements horizontally. Align items, which functions to set the alignment of chart elements vertically. And height for sets the minimum height for an element, and background for set the background color. Inside the container class, set display flex. Light item center, justify content center, then flex wrap. Set padding top 30px and padding bottom 0. Set position to relative, set width, set height, display flex, justify content center, light item center, margin top 40px, margin bottom 30px, and set the transition to 0.5 seconds. In CSS, there are things called before and after. Before is used to insert content before an actual content in the target element, while after is used to insert content after the actual content of the target element. Using before allows you to add additional elements visually without changing the HTML structure. This is useful for adding decorations, icons, or other small elements above or within main elements, allowing for greater flexibility and control in your CSS design. Before you enter a style, call the content first to make sure it appears. Set position to absolute. Set background to white, for example, top 0 left 50px with 50%, edge 100%. Set transition to 0.5 seconds. Add transform skew vertical 30 degree. After that, set border to 8px and border radius to 8px. No, I'm wrong. Actually better with no border. Now, you can copy this and change the name with after. Add filter blur for make it looks like low. Now, you can set if you want to make card rotating when it's hover. In your container box, hover before and after. Reset the transfer skew to 0. Set with curve 100% until 50px. No, 70px? No, 90px? Yes, I think this is better than before. Set transform translate x to minus 20px. Then add this. NTH child used to select elements based on their position in the sibling sequence. You can create your own color for this. Then you can copy paste and change the ID number sequentially. In span, set the position to absolute with top and left are set to 0. Set pointer events to none. Set index 50. In before, don't forget to insert content with no value here to make sure it appears. With 100%, 100%, background RGB attribute 255 and 0.1. Now I will add position absolute, border 8px, top 0, backdrop filter blue, left 0. Wait, why isn't it showing? I tried adding bottom and right, and yes, it worked. Now add the opacity here and set the transition like this. You can copy paste or writing again this. The important thing here is to change the width and height to a smaller scale and set the opacity to 1. Wait, why doesn't this work? Ah, I see. Yes, this is work. Then add the transition. I think I will make some animation for this. Just follow me. Add the animation like this. For the after section, just copy paste the previous one and just top to bottom and left to right. Adjust to your preferences. Now you can style the content. Add set index 1 to forwarding layer, position relative or absolute, whichever you want. Left 0 at padding to 20px, padding bottom 40px, background RGB at triple 255 and 0.1, box shadow 000 and 0.05. Oh, I forgot to insert this to span before. Move a link to inside content class so that read more also has a style. Oh, I forgot something. Now, create hover content, just follow me. Oops, I made mistakes. Just follow me to fix it. Actually, a red more is not really good, so I create own style for a red more. You can follow me. I made a glitch effect for a red more. And finally, it's done.